Okay, on the double hung windows, they have balance covers. And what those balance covers do is they hide the balancer, which holds your window up. And then what I need to do is remove those so I can access the factory mounting screw holes. And I'll have to take and remove or slide the sash stops down from the top so I can access those holes. To do this, let me show it on this side. Finger or screwdriver or something right up underneath that edge, and they just pull right out. To remove these balance covers, you just put your finger right up underneath there or a screwdriver. Just pop it up out of the slot that it rests in and lift it right out. And then to remove the sash stop to pull it down, you just slide it down then, and then you can access the screw hole. Alrighty. Put this one in first.